All right, Greg, here we are again. Man, you have found a fantastic car. 66 Rally Red. I like the way that you often put it, this car is overdone, which that's overdone if it's a survivor or if you're looking for this judging and whatnot. But this car is overdone, but it's overdone so good that we can still get a Duntov on it. Is that correct?
Right, over restored, but yet close enough for the NCRS Duntov judging.
You have to get 2 top flights.
2 top flights, 97 or above, plus the PV.
The PV, and let's remind everybody, PV stands for Performance Verification.
Blinkers, horn, lights, cold start, choke, drive it, brake stop without pulling.
So not only is the car judged for completeness and accuracy and the way it was the day it was produced, now it's also functioning and performing the way it is.
Right.
So you have to have that. Then you go to another judging round
to get the Duntov.
Is there a higher award that you could get on a car?
Not that I know of. Of course, you could get Bloomington Gold.
Right.
Another organization, their certifications.
But correct me, couldn't we get a Bloomington Gold on a car that wouldn't judge Duntov in the NCRS world?
Maybe so.
What about the heritage of the car? A couple owners, do you know anything about that?
I don't know all the way back to new. I bought it from a guy that basically had it restored, had it quite a while, and took it through all the judging.
If a man owned this car and it had no judging, to get to this level of judging, we're probably talking about $35,000, $40,000 of an investment, right?
Possibly.
I mean, you know,
depend on where he has to take it for the judging and staying all weekend at 3 or 4 different locations and traveling expenses. And
because the 2 top flights had to be 2 different clubs, 2 different organizations, 2 different times, 2 different overnights, 2 different 2-day processes.
Right.
You have to get that to get the 2 top flights. Then to go do the PV, is that another 2-day event?
No, it's most all their events are 2-day.
Yeah, so then a whole nother time, and then the Duntov, and that's if it judges properly. You're 8 days in if everything went perfect.
Exactly.
And you could have missed 1 top flight, or you could have missed this, or had to go back and correct this.
A lot of times, people going for the Duntov will miss the PV.
Right.
They'll fail the PV for a brake light or a blinker bulb. We haul the cars to the meet, and during transportation, a bulb quits working, and you fail the PV.
Right.
There's no second chances. You either fail or
you don't.
get it.
Wow. Yeah, because people forget. I mean, this is a 58-year-old car.
Right, exactly.
And so just the solder lead tin connection on the 2-point on the bulb, it could have been perfect and worked for the last 6 months, but just that vibration without operating in the heat to reset that bulb and do it, now it doesn't work. And now you failed it.
Then you fail your PV. Now you got to wait till another meet to take the car back.
So if you want a car as an investment with this level of awarding, I mean, what else? What else is there?
Pretty much as good as it gets. Right. You know, it just says the car's been looked at by several panels of high-level judges, and they signed off on it, basically. This car is special because of the quality of the restoration, and again, the awards, the Duntov Award, and all the factory options it has. Somebody ordered with this car. No hit body. No repairs on the frame.
No damage.
No damage. Of course, it's a frame off restored, nut, bolt, better than new 66 big block Corvette.
If somebody wants to buy this car, what do they got to do?
Go to my website for all of our great pictures.
Yeah, you probably have 100 pictures of this car.
I probably do, yeah, for this special car.
If you look right down here at the bottom, you'll see the website, you'll see the phone number. I think, do we put Greg's phone number? So I think, I mean, where else can you go and get access to somebody that knows about the car? And you don't want to have to deal with the auto attendant. You can just dial Greg's cell phone number.
Right.
If there's a question you have about this car, we can get you in it.
All you got to do is call me. Call me, go to my site, look, any questions. Glad to answer any and all questions.